Hi girls and boys. Today I'm going to show you how you can move a liquid from one cup to another and then make it turn color. To do this experiment, you need some cups and water and food coloring and some paper towels. So in this cup, I have blue water, and I created that by just taking some food coloring and adding water to it. And in this one, I have yellow water using yellow food coloring. Notice that the center cup doesn't have any water in it. And then I took a paper towel and I rolled it up and I twisted it so it's like a cord-like structure. And I'm gonna put one end into the blue water and then the other end into the empty cup. And then I have another paper towel rolled up and I put it in the yellow water and the other end into the empty cup, just like that. So you can see what's happening is the paper towel is absorbing the liquid. Absorption is a process by which a liquid is being taken up by something. In this case, the paper towel. And so paper towels are made of cellulose, and cellulose comes from trees. Cellulose has lots of air spaces in them. So the liquid is actually filling up those air spaces and passing through the towel. So if you let this experiment sit for a couple of hours, this is what happens. Now you can see that the center cup has liquid in it. The liquid is passing from the blue cup and the yellow cup through the paper towels and then filling the center cup with liquid. But the other thing is the color's different. So what's going on with that? Well, blue and yellow are primary colors, and when you combine them together, it forms green. Isn't this a fun experiment? Boys and girls, if you want to learn more about science, just go to our website. And remember, it looks like magic, but it's science.